What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Major Hardware. Hey, and if it's your first time here, hey, thanks for showing up, and maybe consider popping over and seeing if there's anything else you like. But today, we're gonna get my personal computer a little cleaned up here. We got, it's been a while since I've done any work on it. It's pretty dusty, and I also got these sleeved extensions. So these are not from Cable Mods. These are from a company called UPHERE, and I was recently watching a video on somebody else's channel, I believe it was Bitwits, and he showed these extension sleeves, and these were a good alternative to Cable Mods. They're a little cheaper, and just from looking at them here, they don't look too bad. And I went with white because I have a little bit of RGB in my computer here, and I'm thinking that's going to help stand out, maybe reflect some light, look good, better than black. Right now, it's not like it's too bad. You haven't seen the back yet, because that's bad. But anyway, the front isn't bad. It's just the standard modular power supply cables that we're going to dress up with some custom sleeving. And I also did pick up some, they do come with black cable combs. I decided to get some white so they didn't stand out as much. And I also found this here RGB strip that we're going to try to throw in there somewhere if we can find a spot and a plug for it. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll turn it off, get it cleaned up. I'll show you what we're dealing with in the back here. We'll get everything straightened out, and we'll show you what it looks like after it's all said and done by just adding some extensions.
This kit comes in both 30 and 50 centimeter length versions. I decided to get the 30. You're also going to get the 124-pin ATX cable, one 4+4 EPS cable, two 8-pin PCIe cables, two 6-pin PCIe cables, and then a bag of black cable combs. And I decided to buy some white ones. They're basically the same thing, just different color.
Now that was a pain, but hey, it's over with. It's better than it was before. It might not be perfect, but it looks better than it did when I first took the back cover off. So that is it. And once again, these are from UPHERE, those cable extensions. They're a little cheaper than the standard Cable Mods cable extension, but they're pretty good. The quality on them is pretty impressive for how much they are. And if you're looking for a set of cable extensions, I will leave the link in the description below. As for now, though, I'm going to clean the glass on the front, and I'll spin it around so you guys can check it out. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing. Coming up, I think in the next video, we're going to take a look at the Kraken stock thermal paste and how it compares to liquid metal. So check that video out next if this has been a while since this video was uploaded. But if not, it'll be out next week, and we'll see you then.